Okay, we are evidently working, but let me begin with my usual preface because I know everybody enjoys that so much. Welcome to the Man Cave here in Wistful Vistas, beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Been a frustrating day or so. Yesterday we had a day of rain. I know, I was as surprised as you are because it never rains in California except now and then. And that was then. Today is sunny, but yesterday was rainy, so I got to do a couple of in the garage sort of things, which is always kind of a cool thing to do. I think most motorcycle riders will identify with that. It's a couple little garage projects. One of them involved the SP Connect phone mount that I use. So let's go back and recover that because all that footage I did yesterday on a rainy day, completely useless. Not going to go into the whys and wherefores, but probably a combination of me and some software glitches. I don't know. I don't like to think it's me, but anyway, didn't work. So let's start today. Let's redo it. They're already installed on the bike. It's not that big of a deal that you need to see these latest changes. But a while ago, one of the persistent questions I had received was what phone mount did I use? And I use phone mounts supplied by a company called SP Connect. You can find them on the internet very easily. I like SP Connect a lot. There's no big sticking up kind of things. It comes, the phone protector you can get comes with it. And it just takes a quick quarter turn to get it installed on your machine. I've used it for about 4 years, perhaps a little longer now. And never had an issue. Very happy to report that. Never had an issue. But one of the people wrote in and said that they had had an issue where their iPhone 11, I believe this gentleman was using an iPhone 11, had had internal damage done due to the vibrations transmitted via the phone mount to his smartphone. I'm not sure if that would be different for any other manufacturer's phone mount or not, and as I said before, I personally have not had that issue, and I have 3 of them. I've got 2 on the motorcycles right here and 1 on my e-bike, and that includes a couple of tumbles on the e-bike. But went online and noticed that SP Connect sells an anti-vibration module. So I ordered that, and yesterday, you'd have loved that vlog, by the way. Didn't work out. Yesterday, I mounted them. They're very easy to mount. I'll open up the box here, show you what you get in the box. And this is one of those rare things when my advice I gave yesterday actually works out. And that is that I generally, when I put something new on the motorcycle, I generally save it for a little while because there have been occasions where things didn't go as planned and I needed to revert to the things that I had taken off. In this case, I just needed to re-illustrate again what I had done. So on the SP Connect, there are these ridges on a mount. Not sure if they'll show up, not too sure about that. But the ridges are there, and on the back of your phone, there's a corresponding couple of slots with the phone protector case that you get. They also make one of these mounts that you can stick on to an existing phone mount, or phone protector. So to put them together, you just line them up. Again, not sure this is gonna go, and give it a quarter turn. I'll show you on the machine in just a moment. This is a 4mm hex, so it's just a matter of removing it and popping the new one on. So stand by. I'm gonna show this to you on the machine. Well, let's choose the Aprilia. All right, stand by. Just a quick sec. Okay, so here we are over by Tony Thunder. Here's my SP Connect. Here is the anti-vibration mount. Seems like it has just a little bit of flex in there to absorb some vibrations. not a whole bunch. Again, mentioned that 4 millimeter hex screw that goes in there, and just line the slots up on the phone cover, and there it is in place. No issue whatever. And I suppose it's got just a little bit more movement there, a little more dampening. But highly recommend the SP. They're not expensive, not inexpensive, but I've had very good success with them. So hopefully this will help those of you out there who are perhaps on the fence. I have it on the Ducati over here and the Aprilia, and I've just recently upgraded my phone to an iPhone 12 Max, and already ridden with it 3 or 4 times. I've not yet ridden with these anti-vibration ones, but ridden with it 3 or 4 times and no apparent damage to the phone. So, thumbs up. By the way, I received no promotional credit or any product from SP. This is just something that I've used, and hope this helps you guys out there. Ride safe.